Hey everyone! This video will outline how to bulk add students to a CCR experience as a validator. Doing this will save the students time from searching for the experience themselves, since bulk adding will add the experience directly to their co-curricular record. First, log into GHWorks with your GHWorks credentials. Then, click on the Co-curricular Record tab and go to the Validator for Following Activities tab. Select the position you want to add the students to. Then, click the Options button in the bottom right. Click Add Position to Student Record in the menu. From here, you can search users to add to the position. Once students are added, they will appear in the text box below, and you can continue to add users. Select if you would like the students to be emailed about their new status, and then, once you have added all the students, hit the Add button at the bottom. Now, you have bulk added students to a CCR experience. If you have any questions, email ccr@guelphumber.ca.